Hello friends, 12th standard maths, chapter 11, probability distributions, exercise 11.4 AKEC maths. Question number first. For the random variable x with the given probability mass function as below, find the mean and variance. The f of x equal to 1 divided by 10, x equal to 2, 5, 1 divided by 5, x equal to 0, 1, 3, 4. The given the probability mass function கொடுத்திருக்காங்க அதுக்கு mean and variance நம்ம ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ண போகிறோம். Then assume that x of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 given the value 5 up to இங்கே நமக்கு கொடுத்திருக்க வேல்யூ 5 வரைக்கும் assume பண்ணியிருக்கோம். Then f of x equal to substitute the value 0 இதுக்கு substitute எந்த பிளேஸில் வந்திருக்கு அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா 1 by 5. The 1 means 1 by 5, 2 means 1 by 10, 3 means 1 by 5, 4 means 1 by 5, 5 means first இருக்கக்கூடிய 1 by 10. Then x f of x, you multiplied x காலமும் f of x காலமும் multiplication பண்ணுறோம். அப்போ 0 into 1 by 5 0, 1 into 1 by 5 1, 2 into 1 by 10 2 by 10, 3 into 1 by 5 3 by 5, 4 into 1 by 5 4 by 5, 5 into 1 by 10 5 by 10. Then x squared f of x, same அதே வேல்யூ 0, x square பண்ணோம்னா 0 square into the form of f of x 1 by 5 totally 0, 1 into 1 by 5 1 by 5. Then second one is 2 into the value x square 4 by 10. That means x square f of x equal to 9 divided by 5. The 4 value equal to 4 4s are 16 divided by 5. The value x into x 5 into 5 25 divided by 10. The mean summation of x equal to x f of x, x oda value f of x oda value. That means 0 plus 1 by 5 plus 2 by 10 plus 3 by 5 plus 4 by 5 plus 5 by 10. This is a e of x. Then 8 divided by 5 plus 7 divided by 10 equal to 10 வந்து காமனாக எடுத்துட்டோம்னா then 16 plus 7 LCM. Then 23 divided by 10 equal to 2.0 is the mean. Then e of x squared equal to summation of x square f of x equal to the x square value already find it 0, 1 plus 1 by 5 plus 4 divided by 10 plus 9 divided by 5 plus 16 divided by 5 plus 25 divided by 10. The 10 also 29, 25 plus 4 add பண்ணோம்னா 29 divided by 10 plus 26 divided by 5 equal to 29 plus 52 divided by 10 equal to 81 divided by 10. The answer is 8.1. The variance v of x equal to, already find it the value e of x square 8.1 minus 2.3 square. E of x oda value ஏற்கனவே find பண்ணியிருக்கோம், அதை ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். Then 8.1 minus 5.29 equal to 2.81. That means mean equal to 2.3, variance 2.81. The second subdivision f of x equal to 4 minus x divided by 6, x equal to 1, 2, 3. இங்கே x oda value 1, 2, 3 only given. Then f of x equal to substitute the value 1, 3 divided by 6. Substitute the value 2, 4 minus 2, 2 divided by 6. Substitute the value 3, 1 divided by 6. Then x f of x equal to 1 into 3 by 6, 3 by 6, 2 into 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 3 into 1 by 6, 3 by 6. Then x square f of x 3 divided by 6, x square square பண்ணி எடுத்திருக்கோம். 1 into 3 divided by 6 same. Then x square x into x 2 into 4 8 divided by 6. Then 3 into 3 9 divided by 6. Then e of x equal to summation of x f of x equal to 3 divided by 6 plus 4 divided by 6 plus 3 divided by 6 equal to 5 divided by 3 equal to 1.667. Then e of x square equal to e of x square f of x, the form variance form square பண்ணியிருக்கோம். Then already find it the value 3 divided by 6 plus 8 divided by 6 plus 9 divided by 6 equal to 20 divided by 6. The variance of x equal to e of x square minus e of x the whole square. So the e of x square equal to 20 divided by 6 minus e of x value, the value 5 divided by 3 whole square. Then 20 divided by 6 minus 25 divided by 9. Taking their LCM 18, 60 minus 50 equal to 5 divided by 9. Then simplification of the value 0.56. That means mean value 1.67. The variance value is 0.56. The third subdivision, f of x equal to 2 of x minus 1 0, 1 less than x less than 2 otherwise. The same e of x equal to 1 to 2 integration x f of x dx. In the limit value பார்த்தீங்கன்னா continuous form 1 less than x less than 2. Then use the form e of x f of x into dx. Then twice of 2, 1 to 2 x of the value x equal to x minus 1 into dx equal to 2 of integration of 1 to 2 x square minus x into dx. x உள்ள multiplication பண்ணியிருக்கோம். But then the 2 of x cube divided by 3 minus x square divided by 2. Integration of the value, upper limit value, lower limit value 1. Then 2 of 8 divided by 3 minus 4 divided by 2. To substitute the upper limit value, minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. Then 2 of 8 by 3 minus 4 by 2. The minus உள்ள multiplication பண்ணியிருக்கோம். 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. That means 2 of 7 by 3 minus 3 divided by 2 equal to 2 of, taking their LCM 6, then 14 minus 9 divided by 6. Then e of x equal to 5 divided by 3. We want to find the variance, then e of x squared equal to integration of 1 to 2 x square f of x into dx. Then integration of 1 to 2 x square 2 of x minus 1 into dx equal to 2 of integration of 1 to 2 x cube minus x square into dx. Then integrate the value x power 4 divided by 4 minus x cube divided by 3. 2 வெளியில் காமனாக இருக்குது. Then lower limit 1, upper limit 2. Then 2 of, to substitute the value, upper limit value 16 divided by 4 minus 8 divided by 3 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. The 2 of 16 minus divided by 4 minus 8 divided by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 equal to 2 of 15 divided by 4 minus 7 divided by 3. Then equal to 2 of, taking the LCM 6, 45 minus 28. Then answer is e of x squared equal to 17 divided by 6. Then the variance of x equal to e of x square minus e of x the whole square. To only substitute the form. E of x square value equal to 17 divided by 6 minus e of x value 5 divided by 3 the whole square equal to 17 divided by 6 minus 25 divided by 9. Then taking their LCM divided by 18, 51 minus 50 equal to 1 divided by 18. That means mean equal to 5 divided by 3. The variance 1 divided by 18. The fourth one is f of x equal to 1 divided by 2 e of minus x divided by 2 for x greater than 0. 0 otherwise. Positive only consider the value. Then e of x equal to 0 to infinity x f of x into dx. The form of 0 to infinity x 1 divided by 2 e power minus x divided by 2 into dx. So this is a form of gamma integral x power n, integration of 0 to infinity x power n e power minus ax into dx equal to n factorial divided by a power n plus 1. Then 1 by 2 of 1 factorial divided by 1 by 2, the whole power 1 plus 1 equal to 1 by 2, 2 square. The value of n equal to 1, then a value equal to 1 by 2. In the value formula substitute பண்ணுறோம். But then e of x equal to 2 is the answer. The e of x square equal to integration of 0 to infinity x square f of x into dx equal to 0 integration of 0 to infinity x square 1 by 2 e power minus x divided by 2 dx. Then 1 by 2 of 2 factorial divided by 1 by 2 the whole square plus 1. Then 1 by 2 of 2 into 2 cube. The value substituted here, n equal to 2, a equal to 1 by 2. N factorial divided by alpha power n plus 1, gamma form. Then e of x square equal to 8. Then variance of x equal to e of x square minus e of x the whole square. The value of e of x square equal to 8 minus e of x is 2 square, 2 the whole square. Then 8 minus 4 equal to 4. Then mean equal to 2, the variance equal to 4 is required, mean and variance. The question number 2, two balls are drawn in succession without replacement from the urn containing 4 red ball and 3 black balls. Let x be the possible outcomes drawing red balls. Find the probability mass function and the mean of x. So the two balls are drawn succession without replacement. With replacement நம்ம அந்த பால்ஸை வந்து எடுத்துகிட்டு திரும்ப உள்ளே போட்டுருவோம். வித்தவுட்னா பால் எடுத்துட்டோம்னா டோட்டலாக வெளியில் தான் போட்டுருவோம். ரிமைனிங் ஒன்லி கன்சிடர். அப்போ தென் 4 ரெட் பால்ஸ் அண்ட் 3 பிளாக் பால்ஸ். ஸோ டோட்டல் பால் வந்து 7 அப்படின்னு கிடச்சிரும். ஒன்லி அவுட்கம்ஸ் drawing the red balls only கேட்டிருக்காங்க. தென் ஃபைண்ட் த ப்ராபபிலிட்டி மாஸ் ஃபங்க்ஷன் அண்ட் மீன். The red ball is 4, black ball is 3, then total 7. Let x be the random variable, denote the number of red balls. X equal to 2 balls mean 0 red ball, 1 red ball, 2 red ball. The possible outcomes. The f of 0 equal to p of x equal to 0. 4c0 into 3c2 only 0. That means fully 3c2 only consider 7c2. கிடைச்சிருக்கிறது நமக்கு only black ball. Then 1 by 3 divided by 7 into 6 divided by 1 into 2. Then 3 divided by 21 equal to 1 by 7. Then f of 1, that means the probability of x equal to 1. 4c1, 1 red ball, 1 black ball. 3c1 divided by 7c2, total ball. Then 4 by 3 divided by 21 equal to 4 divided by 7. F of 2 equal to p of x equal to 2. Then 4c2 into 3c0 divided by 7c2 equal to 26 into 1 divided by 21 equal to 2 divided by 7. So then the probability mass function x of 0, 1, 2. The value of x is 1 divided by 7. The value of 1 is 4 divided by 7. The value of 2 is 2 divided by 7. The p of x equal to x, f of x. To find the value of e of x, then e of x equal to summation of x, x f of x. The value of 0 into 1 by 7 plus 1 into 4 by 7 plus 2 into 2 by 7. Then 7 is common. 4 by 7 plus 4 by 7. Then mean value equal to 8 divided by 7. Question number 3. If mu and sigma squared are the mean and variance of the discrete random variable x and e of x plus 3 equal to 10 and e of x plus 3 the whole square equal to 116, find the mu and sigma square. Then the general form of e of ax plus b equal to a of ex plus b. Then take the value of e of x plus 3 equal to 10. Then e of x plus 3 equal to 10. Constant term separate பண்ணி எழுதிடலாம். The e of x equal to 10 minus 3. Then e of x equal to 7. Then the value mu equal to also 7. Then e of x plus 3 the whole square equal to 116. Then e of x square plus 6x plus 9 equal to 116. E of x square plus 6 e of x plus 9 equal to 116. Then e of x square plus 6 of 7 to substitute the value of e of x plus 9 equal to 116. Then e of x square equal to 116 minus 51. Left side இருக்கிற constant term right side கொண்டு வந்தாச்சு. Then e of x square equal to 65. Then variance of x equal to e of x square minus e of x the whole square. That means 65 minus 7 square equal to 65 minus 49 equal to 16. Then the value of mu equal to 7 and sigma square equal to 16. Question number 4. The 4 fair coins are tossed once. Find the probability mass function mean and variance for the number of heads occurred. ஒரு 4 coins வந்து throw பண்ணுறாங்க. Then the probability mass function mean and variance for the number of heads occurred only we want to find. Then n of s equal to 2 power 4 equal to 16. Let x be the random variable denotes number of heads. Then the possibilities x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then b of x equal to 0 equal to 4c naught divided by 16 equal to 1 divided by 16. P of x equal to 1, the 4c1 divided by 16 equal to 4 by 16. Then P of x equal to 2, 4c2 divided by 16 equal to 6 divided by 16. Then P of x equal to 3 equal to 4c3 divided by 16 equal to 4 by 16. Then B of x equal to 4, 4c4 divided by 16 equal to 1 by 16. The probability is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The first one is 0 means 1 by 16, 4 by 16, 1 means 2 means 6 divided by 16, 3 means 4 divided by 16, the value of 4 is 1 divided by 16. Then x f of x, to multiply the x and f of x equal to 0, anything 0, 1 into 4 by 16, 4 by 16, 2 into 6 divided by 16, 12 divided by 16, 12 divided by 16, next one is the 4 into 1 by 16, 4 divided by 16. Then x squared of f of x 0, 4 by 16, 24 divided by 16, 36 divided by 16, 16 divided by 16, x into f of x, and the multiplication பண்ணோம்னா கிடைக்கும். Then e of x equal to summation of x f of x equal to 0 plus 4 by 16 plus 12 divided by 16 plus 12 divided by 16 plus 4 divided by 16 equal to 32 divided by 16, that value equal to 2. Then e of x square equal to summation of x square f of x equal to 0 plus 4 by 16 plus 24 divided by 16 plus 36 divided by 16 plus 16 divided by 16 equal to 80 divided by 16 equal to 5. The variance of x equal to e of x square minus e of x square equal to 5 minus 2 square equal to 5 minus 4 equal to 1. That means mean equal to 2 and variance equal to 1. The question number 5. A commuter train the punctually at the station every half hour. Each morning a student leave his house to the train station. Let x denotes the amount of time in a minutes that the student waits for the train from the time he reaches the train station. It is known that the probability density function is f of x equal to 1 divided by 30, 0 less than x less than 30, 0 elsewhere. Obtain and interpret the expected value of the random variable. Given that x be the random variable denotes the waiting time x is continuous on 0, 30. That means half an hour means consider 0, 30. Then e of x equal to integration of minus infinity to plus infinity x f of x dx equal to integration of 0 to 30 x into 1 divided by 30 into dx. Then equal to 1 by 30 x square divided by 2 integration பண்ணில lower limit 0 upper limit 30 equal to 1 divided by 30 into 2, the 30 square minus 0. So that means twice means 30 into 30, cancel the 30 30, 2 into also 30, cancel பண்ணோம்னா 30 2 ஆல cancel பண்ணோம்னா 15. Then e of x equal to 15, the expected value of waiting times equal to 15 minutes. The question number 6. The time to failure in thousands of hours of an electronic equipment used in the manufactured computer has a density function given f of x equal to 3 e power minus 3x for x greater than 0, 0 elsewhere. Find the expected life of the electronic equipment. ஒரு electronic equipment ஓட density function given f of x equal to 3 e power minus 3x then x greater than 0, otherwise elsewhere. Expected life of this electronic equipment, we only want to find. Then E of x equal to integration of minus infinity to plus infinity x f of x into dx, then equal to integration of 0 to infinity x 3 e power minus 3x into dx. This is a gamma form. Then 3.1 factorial n factorial divided by a power n plus 1. That means n value equal to 1, a value equal to 3. The answer is 3 divided by 9. Then E of x equal to 1 by 3 cancel value. Then E of x square equal to integration of minus infinity to plus infinity x square f of x into dx. Then integration of 0 to infinity x square 3 e power minus x into dx. The value of n equal to 2 and a equal to 3. Then 3 of 2 factorial divided by 3 power 2 plus 1 equal to 3 into 2 by 3. Cancel the value 3. Then the answer is 2. 3 cube அப்படின்னு வந்திருக்கும். 3 cube வந்து என்ன வந்துடும், 27 அப்படின்னு கிடச்சிரும். இதில் ஒரு 2 3 வந்து மிஸ் ஆகிருக்கு. அப்போ 2 டிவைடட் பை 3 அதை ஆட் பண்ணிக்கிங்க. இப்போ the answer is 3 into 2 divided by 27 அப்படின்னு கிடைக்கும். ஒரு 3யும் ஒரு இதுவும் கேன்சல் ஆச்சுன்னா ரிமைனிங் 2 divided by 9 is the answer. The question number 7. The probability density function of the random variable x is given by f of x equal to 16x e power minus 4x for x greater than 0, 0 for x less than equal to 0. Find the mean and variance of the x. The given that only positive means 16x e power minus 4x, other places 0. Then E of x equal to integration of minus infinity to infinity x f of x dx. Then 0 to infinity x is power n e power minus ax into dx equal to n factorial divided by a power n plus 1. Then equal to 0 to infinity x of 16x e power minus 4x into dx equal to 16 integration of 0 to infinity x square e power minus 4x into dx. The value n equal to 2, a equal to 4. To substitute the value 16 into 2 factorial divided by 4 power 2 plus 1. Then 16 into 2 divided by 64. Cancel panna 1 by 2 is the answer. Then E of x square integration of minus infinity to plus infinity x square f of x dx equal to 16. Integration of 0 to infinity x cube e power minus 4x into dx. To substitute the n factor 16 into 3 factorial divided by 4 power 4 equal to 16 into 6 divided by 16 into 6. 16. Cancelled the value 16. Then remaining 6 divided by 16. Again one time cancel the value mean 3 divided by 8. Then variance of x equal to E of x square minus E of x the whole square equal to 3 divided by 8 minus 1 by 2 the whole square. Then 3 divided by 8 minus 1 by 4 equal to 3 minus 2 divided by 8 equal to 1 by 8. Then mean equal to 1 by 2. Variance equal to 1 by 8. Question number 8. A lottery with 600 tickets gives one prize of rupees 200, 4 prizes of rupees 100 and 6 prizes of rupees 50. If the ticket cost is rupees 2, find the expected winning amount of ticket. The n of s equal to given value 600, total lottery ticket. Let x be the random variable denoted amount winning. The x is a one prize 200 and another one is 100, 6 prizes of 50 and the 0, nothing means 0. So then the random variable x equal to 200, 100, 50, 0. The probability of x equal to 200, 1 divided by 600. The probability of x equal to 100, 4 divided by 600. The probability of x equal to 50, 6 divided by 600. The probability of x equal to 0, 589 divided by 600. To write the form of x equal to 200, 100, 50, 0. The value of 200, 1 divided by 600. This is f of x or probability of x equal to x. The 100 means 4 divided by 600. The 50 means 6 divided by 600. 0 means 589 divided by 600. But then E of x equal to summation of x, the x f of x. Then the value 200 into 1 divided by 600 plus 100 into 4 divided by 600. 50 into 6 divided by 600. 0 into 589 divided by 600. The 600 take common. 200 plus 400 plus 300. Then total value equal to 900 divided by 600. That means 3 divided by 2 equal to 1.50. The expected amount winning rupees 1.50. One ticket cost is 2. That means profit difference 1.50 minus 200. The value 2. அந்த இடத்துல ஒரு பாயிண்ட் ஒன்று வச்சுங்க 2. இப்போ 2 rupeesலேருந்து 1.50 1.5 பைசா போச்சுன்னா ரிமைனிங் minus 0.50. That means loss equal to 0.50 rupees. Thank you friends.